Today, we explore an important historical project known as Operation Crossroads. This documentary is created only for educational purposes, focusing on history, science, and learning. Operation Crossroads was not a combat mission. It was a controlled scientific program designed to understand how large-scale technology interacts with the environment. Let's explore what Operation Crossroads was, why it happened, and what the world learned from it. Operation Crossroads took place in 1946, shortly after World War II. At that time, scientists and governments wanted to better understand new technologies and their long-term effects. The project was conducted at a remote location to ensure controlled conditions. Many scientists, engineers, and observers were involved to carefully study the results and gather data. The goal was knowledge, not conflict. The main purpose of Operation Crossroads was research. Scientists wanted to learn how energy systems behave in different environments, how structures respond to extreme conditions, how data from large-scale tests could improve safety and design. This project helped improve engineering standards, safety planning, environmental awareness. All experiments were carefully planned and monitored. Operation Crossroads attracted global attention. For the first time, the world saw science being tested at a very large scale under observation. The results encouraged discussions about responsibility in scientific research, environmental protection, international cooperation. Many experts agreed that such experiments should be limited and regulated. Today, Operation Crossroads is studied in history books, science documentaries, academic research. It helped shape future policies about scientific testing, environmental safety, global agreements. The project became a turning point in how large-scale research is approached. Operation Crossroads reminds us that science must always be guided by responsibility and understanding. It shows the importance of learning from history and improving how research is conducted. Education helps us move forward wisely. Thank you for watching this educational documentary. If you enjoy learning about history and science, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.